Mr. Philip Sison, International Referee. Let's call our starting lineup for our Lady Blazers of the College of St. Benilde. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Janine Navarro. Wearing jersey number 2, Janelle Welch Cheng. At number 6, Jeanette Panaga. Wearing jersey number 16, guest player Michelle Datuin. At number 18, guest player Yumi Yonko. And their team captain with jersey number 5, Therese Veronas. Libero number 10, Rica Jane Enclona. Head coach, Mr. Michael Carino. Calling on Our Lady Tamaraos of the Far Eastern University. Let's start with jersey number 2, Bernadette Pons. At number 7, Genevieve Kasugod. Wearing jersey number 9, Mary Remy Joy Palma. Team captain with jersey number 10, Ina Louise Papa. And guest player with jersey number 20, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Guest player with jersey number 18, Rachel Ann Dakis. Libero number 1, Christine Agno. Head coach, Mr. Cecil Shaq de los Santos. Good luck to both teams.
Paano ba? Umpisa pa lang, sabit na si Rachel. Di pa tinatawag eh. Excited na maglaro.
Bakit ba?
Tingnan mo naman yung crowd na lalaroan niya rito. Of course, ito po mga kaibigan, this is the quarter-final round. 0-1 po itong dalawang teams natin dito. And again, the addition of Rachel Andakis and of course, naalala ko lang bigla, the reigning MVP of the Open Conference. Ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. And really brings a different dimension para sa FEU ngayon.
Really different. And naging mas siguro, no? Tingin ko dadami plays ng FEU ngayon at para, alam mo yung line pa palagi para sa mga fans natin ito. It's for the fans. Yan ang dating ni Rachel at saka ni Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Well, we are starting right now. Para naman sa St. Benilde, as that served by Janelle Panaga goes long. Natawag ko siya kanina, Janelle Navarro. It's actually Janine Navarro. Janelle Cheng, yung kanilang setter. No? Janine Navarro is actually starting. Pero as predicted, sa likuran siya magsisimula just to get a feel of it.
Kapaka lang muna.
So after that service error, ito ngayon si Ina Papa. On the serve, Cheng on the back set. Datuin, kaagad.
Of the block kaagad ang si Michelle Datuin niya yung again yung experience na dinadala ni Michelle. Easy volleyball techniques.
If it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Alam mo si Barry, pinalitan yung mga signs natin na 7-8 years na natin ginagamit. So nangangapapakulit ako rito ngayon.
Di ba 20 years na yun? Itsurang 20.
Bernadette Pons gets one down the line.
And you like that spot?
Bernadette Pons among the top 10 scorers in the league. Nagparamdam ka agad.
This down the line hits. Diba? Hirap naman kunin natin.
And ngayon si Remy Palma to serve para sa FEU leading 2-1.
Ito na yung middle hitters ng FEU.
Pinag-usapan natin kanina.
Yes.
Ito na si Navarro. Ayan, medyo nakakapapa nga.
Napakalaki ni Kasugod. Tapos, ang maganda niyan, binigyan siya ng suporta ng Jovelyn Gonzaga. And yung Bernadette Pons, what a line-up at the front line.
High and Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's BB, proudly Philippine-made. Yan. Dagdag na rin natin. Kasi may mga katol din naman sa ibang bansa.
Oo naman.
And the Joust Pons drops it in.
Pons easily, again, getting that point. Pero ang frontline din naman ng St. Benilde, di magpapahuli, ha? And dyan si Navarro, dito rin si Michelle Datuin.
Pati na rin si Veronas.
Oh, yes.
Very tall frontline ngayon para dito sa St. Benilde. Enclona on the reception, Janelle Cheng. Dinala kaagad dito. Yan ang sinasabi po natin. Si Janine Navarro.
Bigat ng kamay. Di ba yun sa volleyball? Ang bigat ng kamay, ang lakas ng palo.
May nagsabi na nga sa akin nung nagte-training pa sa national team. She's a combination of Rachel Andakis and Anggeta Baquero. Tingnan mo naman yung power. Parang ang hina ng palo, pero grabe yung karga nun, ha? So watch out for this young lady out of the College of St. Benilde, si Janine Navarro as service is done there para dito kay Veronas. Cheng ngayon, iniwan para kay Datuwing, kinaliwa ni Mitch. Backset ngayon, Jovelyn Gonzaga down the line, daga pa yung Clona. Cheng, galing sa likod ang tira ni Veronas. Dakis is there for FEU. Sa sugod, andun naman si Clona. Wrong rally. Here's Navarro. Tignan mo naman yung karga nun.
Again, going down the line, but credit Enclona for really getting to those excellent spikes coming from FEU.
And again, it seems to defy gravity yung palo nito si Janine Navarro na napakahina tignan, pero ang lakas pala ng bibig.
Laki na kamay.
Oh. And you were talking about yung kaninang haba ng legs, maikli katawan, talagang atletang-atleta yung dating eh. Is Veronas once again. Back is on the reception. Back set ngayon. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Back up kay Veronas. Janelle Cheng. Iiwan para kay Veronas. Masyado malayo. Free ball. Given up here by St. Benilde. Combination play. Bernadette Pons.
This is what we're talking about. Yung mga kombinasyon na pwedeng gawin ng FEU now that Gonzaga and Dakis is in the lineup. Sinimula na.
Oo. Coach Shaq marami. Actually, excited nga si Coach Shaq kanina. Nung una daw nilang practice with both Rachel and Jovelyn, as we thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's P-League, pwede na niya gawin yung mga plays na ini-envision niya dati pa. As Navarro missed his yapan, yes. 6-3 FEU. And again, for those of you who have not really followed the season, si Janine Navarro actually nag-tryout niya sa national team. Kukunin na sana, pero nung nag-medical, nakita na may arrhythmia siya or an irregular heartbeat. So she needed clearance, ginamot muna ng konti. Now she finally got her clearance and she is now playing finally her first game here in the Shakey's P-League. They go to Navarro. Navarro pinapik, Dakis is there. Pinapapa, goes to Rachel. Rachel off the hands of Cheng.
Off the block hit from Rachel.
And she's back. Ibang alang numero.
At yung sa decibels naririnig niyo from the fans. She's back nga talaga.
Nakita pala siya kanina nagwa-warm up, naghihiyawan. Unang palo niya pa lang sa warm up, naghihiyawan na yung mga fans.
Nakakatuwa kasi yan si Rachel napakabait na bata.
Oo. Good serve there coming from Bernadette Pons. Actually si Pons ang namamayani so far for FEU as they have built this 5-point lead kontra St. Benilde. Introduce the third member of our panel, Attorney Z. Hervasio.
Okay. Hi guys, napansin niyo na siguro ang mga pagbabago sa team lineups ngayon, especially sa koponan ng FEU. Nakausap ko ang kanilang head coach at nakwento nga niya na last minute lang na idagdag si Rachel Andakis at Jovelyn Gonzaga bilang naglaro sila for the national team in the recently concluded Asian Women's Cup in Thailand. Coach Shaq mentioned na kailangan na nila ng reinforcement at sana wala nang makamit na talo in this quarterfinal round. On the other hand, CSB's Michelle Datuwin had also played with Dakis and Gonzaga in Thailand but had already played with the Lady Blazers in their last game kontra sa Adamson University. Head coach Mike Carino is today relying on the girls' defense and quick adjustments dahil nalaman lang niya ang pagbabago sa lineup ng FEU kahapon. Guys?
Well, of course, malaking lamang na ni Datuwin actually in terms of experience with the team. Nakaisa na siyang laban eh. Iba pa rin yung competition volleyball kaysa sa practice volleyball.
Yeah.
Gonzaga.
Gonzaga! Very powerful cross-court hit.
Then you have to remember that she is of course the most valuable player of the Open Conference kung saan po may mga import na galing sa ibang bansa na naglaro rin dito.
Isa na to sa pinaka-effective na utility player.
Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's BB, proudly Philippine made. Janelle Cheng ngayon, pinadala rito kay Janet Panaga. At Panaga, pinili niya yung mas maliit na Ina Papa para hulugan.
And that was a smart move from Panaga, just going for a tip. Nakita niya, laki ni Kasugod dun sa harapan niya. Ginawa niya tip na lamang.
Ito si Navarro, nakabalik na ulit sa likod. Hindi naman hinihingal si Navarro. So that's a good sign also. And that's a good serve also for Navarro, who is now the leading scorer para dito sa St. Benilde.
Well, speaking of St. Benilde, they have 3 attack points and 1 serve point. FEU now having 4 attack points and also a serve point. Si Pons, 3 na ang atake at isang service point.
Good read that time by Bernadette Pons. Hinayaan lang niyang lumabas yung serve nitong si Janine Navarro. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. And 22-year-old Genevieve Kasugod, who's entering her second year sa FEU.
Wow!
Here is a miss coming from Panaga.
So, pwedeng the future.
Oh, actually, may ginawa akong article kamakailan lang na ginubuo ko na yung lineup natin para sa 2019 SEA Games, Manila. Pag-usapan natin yan after this timeout by CSP.
Pinapasa natin, binibigay lang natin yung kuntus eh. Pagkalanganin na yung bola, gawin na lang natin ang paraan, hindi natin iwawaldas yung bola. Pinapasa, mahirap pumasa, tapos wawaldasin lang natin. Bawi, 5 lang yan, huwag magpalayo. Huwag magpalayo, 5 lang yan, let's go. Let's go.
Animo!
And Michael Carino, of course, reminding his players of the urgency dito sa ating laban. Of course, Janine Navarro, that's always going to be a plus. Isipin mo, St. Benilde made it all the way to the quarterfinals. So wala si Janine Navarro. Now she's finally here. Well, going back to sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, as we take a look at this gigantic crowd na may pila pa rin sa labas hanggang ngayon dito sa San Juan Arena. Yung gumagawa na ako ng lineup ko, suggested lineup lang naman para sa 2019 national team. Kasama dyan si Genevieve Kasugod.
Oo,
diba?
pwede naman talaga, lalo na yung depensa sa net.
Yes.
Laking bagay.
Combination play now. Dakis. And Dakis is turned back kay Panaga. Yan ang pinag-usapan natin kanina. Yung net blocking naman ng St. Benilde. Although, halos patas lang sila pagdating sa height. Itong si Panaga is able to get it done.
Timing eh. Ganda yung timing ni Panaga.
Lead is down to 4. Janelle Cheng on the serve. Pakulis na serve. Here's Gonzaga. Tinapik na lamang. Nakialam si Panaga. Nandun na si Inclona. So another point here for FEU. At now Rachel and Dakis. When was the last time naglaro si Dakis para sa FEU? Matagal na siguro. I would believe, 2010, 2011?
Sure,
Nag-guest player
pero,
ka?
oo, medyo matagal na rin. Ito sa Army kasi siya naglalaro. Yung ating open.
She won the championship with Army in 2011. So, in the first conference, di ko maalala kung saan siya naglaro nun. Baka sa FEU ka, baka 2011.
Pero sok naman kasi siya eh. Kahit mag-in and out siya sa FEU. Alam mo yung sistema.
Pons!
Oh, Pons, that is long. Naku, yan pa naman pinag-uusapan namin ni Coach Shaq kanina. Sabi ko, nawiwili kasi si Pons na pumalo doon sa likod. Kaya nahirapan siya mag-adjust sa harap. Yun nga yung baon. Yun yung baon eh. Kulang sa baon. Diba? Yung snapping of the wrist.
Okay, naging 3 na lang po kalamangan ng FEU. Agno on the reception. Papa, bibigay siya kay Remy Palma. Running attack is in.
In spite of yung, you can see Papa, very slow yung running niya. Pero, tignan mo yung timing naman at saka yung lihis, yung angulo.
Well, actually, she leads the league in running sets. Itong si Ina Papa. And she used to lead the league in steal sets until that was taken over by a certain NN Raterta of Davao.
That girl.
Kasi si Raterta naman, kahit gano'ng kabilis tumakbo, biglang tumitigil. So, lahat steal set sa kanya. Ito ngayon si Papa on the back. And there's a miss again by Gonzaga. Looking for a check. None coming.
Well, that was a risk. She was trying to go down the line in that little space available to her. Pero, yun, lumabas wide for Gonzaga.
Nagkaganda dito kay Dakis at kay Gonzaga. They actually play in the same team pa rin. If it's one family piece, it's gotta be Shakey's. Of course, pareho po sila taga-Philippine Army. Papa tries to save it. And that one goes out. So, yung mga kargadong serve ngayon ni St. Benilde, nahihirapan na itong FEU as Iari Yonko. Or Amigdat Iumi Yonko, the sister of Iari Yonko. Iumi. Wala pa si Iona.
Yun ang kailangan talaga gawin ng Benilde. Kasi, remember, pinag-usapan natin yan na maraming pwedeng plays ang i-run ng FEU.
Right.
in the presence of Gonzaga and Rachel Daquis. So kailangan wag mo nang bigyan ng easy first ball para hindi makaset up the play.
Easier said than done yun, actually. Here's that last attack. Janine Navarro, parang parang hindi siya nawala na matagal. The way she's playing right now.
Yung ganyan talagang mga magagaling na players.
Yumi with the serve, running attack again for Palma. Cover is there for Eklona. Palma drops it in.
And that's the right way to go. Yung hindi pa nakaka-recover masyado, lalo na yung libero ng binalo na kagad ni Remy on the first ball.
Still a close first set, though. 2 puntos po ang kalamangan dito na Lady Tamaraos. And Remy Palma still playing with that heavily bandaged left knee. Hindi pa siya fully recovered from that injury sa UAAP na nakuha niya. Veronas! Yes!
Veronas. Good spot.
There is Veronas, ang kanilang team captain na very prolific also.
Yes.
Pagdating naman sa utilities position na yan, ha?
And maganda siya kasi hanap ng pwesto. Pwesto yung palo niya.
And now the captain is back to serve para dito sa Lady Blazers. Only down by 1. Alim. Pero si Rachel naman na natin para may extra libero ka rin doon at kasugod. Tignan mo naman yung gano'ng kaganda yung serve na yun. Kung paano na-control ni Dakis yun, papunta rito sa set, papunta kay kasugod.
Ganyan ang mangyayari pag nakokontrol na FU yung first ball. Katulad ito, hindi man siya play, but kasugod getting a beautiful quick set from Papa.
And again, you get those quick plays, you get those plays to the quickers dahil sa magandang first ball. Usually binibigay sa open pag alanganin na yung first ball. That's a service error, however, coming from Pons. Ito ngayon, Michelle Datuin. Ultra veteran. Pwede ko pala siya tawag ultra veteran. Hindi na tayo libre mamaya. Hoy! Nasobran. It is 16-14. All of a sudden, a close match here in set number 1.
Only 25 pesos. Text 5 to 6406.
Hi.
Friend, only text again?
Sana.
Joey, only calling for
Sana. Tol, di na pipili sa Unli Text All plus Unli Tropa Call. Unli Text All. Unli Call sa pinakamalaking tropa. Panalo!
Textan?
Tawagan?
I-Unli na yan! 20 lang! Text 8320 to 4545. Panalo!
The call you can't make can mean you don't care. A bad connection, and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a
A loaded day dito po sa Shakey's Feeding as Jovelyn Gonzaga serves for FEU. Once again, Noel Zarate, kasama po si Mosi Ravena at si Gian Rasio coming to you from the arena. And exploiting naman yung height problem ng FEU pagdating kay Ina Papa itong St. Benil.
Well, si Navarro off the block hit ang nangyari doon sa last play. And sa lakas ng balo, lumabas ang bola. CSB, 7 attack points na. FEU, siyam. Pero ang CSB, may isang block, may isang service point.
Yun na. Here's the running attack galing kay Kasugod. Cheng, keeping it alive. Veronas. Iyumi. And si Jovelyn. They go to the other side for Dakis off the block. Yes!
Yun makikita natin na marami nang nilarong volleyball games itong si Rachel Dakis. Pag-angat niya, pinatama sa fingers ng mga blockers. Look at that.
Saka yung book na yan talaga parang special effects parati yan. Paglulundag-lundag siya.
Palma, dalawang atake na. Ito si Navarro. Noel, yung nakakaapat na.
Ay, yan ang umpisa pa lang yan. Para dito kay Janine Navarro. Good defense by Palma. Kept alive and Veronas. Good ball by Efren Gab. 4 touches.
CSB 4 digs already. FEU having 3.
Palitan tayo dito and it will be Jonella who will former libero nila na backup.
Yun naman ang ako sa akin magandang substitution niya and wag mo nang pawaburin si Kasugod diba, sa depensa.
So Joanna Bell Jonella is going to do the service honors At saka, again, extra floor defender na rin yan.
Tama doon sa likod, di
Oo.
ba?
Yumi. Nandun ka agad si Gonzaga. Running attack. Palma. Grabe talaga yung mga plays na ginagawa ni Ina Papa para dito kay Remy Palma. Sulit na sulit.
At lagi siya pupunta dun sa mga quick hits. Tulad nito, running hit by Palma once again. Same spot na sa
Right.
ginawa niya kanina. Ang ganda ng angulo.
Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. Yumi, dug up there by Gonzaga. They go to Dakis. Dakis blocked by Panaga. Papa keeps it alive. Dakis again. And Clona, binuhay. Kanino! Hindi nagkaintindihan ang St. Benil kung sino mahabol.
Sayang naman yun kasi hinabol nila. Mga dalawa siguro tatlo sa St. Benil na humabol. Pero
And Cheng was too far away, so it had to be one of the spikers.
Hindi last minute nag-let go dun sa commitment eh.
Right. Nako, hindi pwede yung kahit sa relationship. Yumi, napalakas.
Kayo?
Diba? Nasa relationship ka na
tama.
pumitiw ka sa commitment, hindi na talaga under yun. Yun ay naririnig ko lang naman. Maureen Lawrence sees her first action. Papalitan muna si Yumi Yonko.
Linggong-linggo eh. Chinela, nagtatagal Nagtatagal din sa service line. Kaya nga ako, sa akin, ganda ng hugot na yun ni Coach Shaq eh. May taga-depensa ka pa din sa
That's
likod.
right. Here's Panaga. At Donela, nakakuha na ng dig. Cheng. And there is the attack coming from Loren. And na naman si Gonzaga. Dakis, turned back by Panaga. Alma sends it to Dakis. Cheng. Galing sa likod. Veronas. Oh, yes! Banggaan si Gonzaga at saka si Pons. Yan ang nakukuha na hindi pa masyadong magkakilala.
A little bit of issue there on the defense. Sayang ang ganda ng floor defense ng FEU before that error.
Right. Again, take a look at this. Adlib na lang itong tira ni Veronas eh. Pero yun na nga, Gonzaga actually had Pons had a beat on that ball. Biglang nakialam si Gonzaga. Janelle Cheng once again. Good serve. Pons. Papa. Palma. Quick plays have been working for FEU.
Tama ka dyan. And you like that the connection is really high.
Oo.
Diba maganda ang signal. Dalawang nitong si Papa at saka yung mga quick hitters nila.
Ito na si Rad. RAD. Magsiserve. Si Rachel Andakis. Remote control on. Di pa daw masyadong naka-on. Veronas off the block.
Marami tayo nakikita mga off the block hits ngayon because you have tall blockers at both sides.
Right. So Janet Panaga once again, who's actually the leading scorer of the team for the season, overshoots. So balik sa 6 ang kalamangan ng FEU, but more importantly, 2 puntos na lang kailangan ng Lady Tamaraws para makuha yung first set. Time out, St. Benil.
Alam, tinan mo, plus 4 na kagad sila. Tinan mo, dapat 21, 23 lang yan. Pasa, sa'yo naman binibigay. Wala namang ibang pinibibigyan. Ikaw, pinapasa mo lang, sa hanap mo lang. Nahihirapan yung setter. Gawin mo yung trabaho mo. Tapos natin yung bola. Paluan, kaya-kaya naman natin sa paluan. Nakakapatay tayo. Pasahan lang natin. Tapos pag may pumapalo sa suporta, pag may lumok sa tumidepensa.
So 23-17, yan po ang ating mga airing schedule po sa Shakey's V-League Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. sa GMA News TV. At ngayon si Ina Papa will be serving para dito sa FEU. 2 points na lamang kailangan ng FEU para makuha itong ating first set. Cheng underneath goes to a miss by Veronas. Or make that a miss by Lauren. So 7 set point po ang inaalagaan ngayon ni Ina Papa.
Puno-puno ang front line.
Yes.
Diba? Para tapusin itong set na to. Pero sabi niya,
stay of execution.
Airtime.
Alam niyo makukunan sa service error ako. Maganda ako na ball. Here is Lauren on the serve. Good one. Donella is there once again. There's a setup now for Bernadette.
Oh, there you go.
And Clona was late. And FEU takes set number 1, 25-18. So far, wala pa namang mga communication problems na nakikita rito for the Lady Tamaraws. As we take a look at our shaky play. Lipad, Bernadette Pons. No problem for FEU.
To spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life. And the less of it you waste, the more of it you live.
We're chatting now.
What?
Hey! Baby girl!
Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Hi. Your order?
Make your move with SmartNet.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Dito sa silangan, ako isinilang kung saan nagmumula
ang sikat ng araw.
Ako ay may sariling kulay kayumanggi. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kanoy. Huwag kang mahihiya.
SmartPro, our fastest mobile broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the leader in mobile. Smart.
Tayo'y mga Pinoy. Shaky, why don't we just head over for an awesome get to
18 po naging score natin sa ating first set. At may kita natin yung errors na naging problema dito na St. Benilde. Halos patas lang in other departments. Of course, FEU, courtesy of the quick sets to Remy Palma, lumabas sa atake.
Tama ka dyan. So, yun talaga yung nangyari doon. Yung atake ng FEU at saka yung errors na ginawa ng St. Benilde, naging madali sa FEU to get that first set. So,
Deadly
let's see
combination.
yung adjustment na mangyayari dito sa St. Benilde.
Kung sa St. Benilde, maganda panimula rito ni Navarro, but there were times already na hindi na siya pinuntahan ng kanilang setter na si Janelle Cheng. She went to other targets at medyo, yun na, dun naubos ang opensa nila.
At yun din, hindi sila makaset up ng plays kasi very poor nga yung handling of the first ball. Kanina in the timeout, sabi nga ni coach, di ba, na si Inclona kasi nakukuha niya yung bola, pero tinataas lang niya sa harap niya. Siyempre, ang pinaka-importante din is maabot niya dun sa setter.
Well, Ina Papa gets that serve in to start the second set. Pons, andun si Cheng, pero again, that will be the problem. Cheng is not the fastest player, at pag hinuhulugan sila ng FEU, which FEU likes to do, at nandun sa harapan ni Cheng, itala mo na halos yun sa FEU. As we take a look at this again, si Cheng, great effort, but again, she's not the fastest player dito, Tita Mosi.
That's right. And bakit nakita mo na may effort doon ni Cheng?
Ay, oo.
Denied yung bola.
Papa with another service error, that's her second of the match.
Well, si Cheng, speaking of Cheng, 4 excellent sets for her papa, dinoble.
Nga. Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Yumi Yonko is back in the game. Reception by Tinagno. Papa sending it to Pons, and Pons will just barely miss. It looked good from where we were.
Well, in fact, yun din ang sinasabi ni Papa at saka ni Pons na mukhang pasok yung bolang yun. Pero Pons now, 5 puntos na. Palma, same number. Navarro, 6 na partner,
Yep.
ha? At ano pa yun, na-halt pa during yung latter stage.
Hindi na siya napuntahan eh.
And Veronas, may 3 puntos na rin.
Navarro tries to score once again and Cheng cannot keep it alive.
So, which means talaga na yung kung magkakaroon lang ng magagandang first balls, napakadali mag-score para kay
Right.
Navarro eh. And you have Michelle Datuin there also.
Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partners of the Shakey's B-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Tulad yan, you have Veronas, Datuin, and Navarro.
Ito na, running attack ni Mitch, and Mitch will miss. She's asking for another one kay Cheng. Ano naman si Mitch pag nagkamali siya, pawi. Isa pa. Tapang ang bata nito.
Yun naman eh. Marami na rin namang nalaro ang volleyball, both na, internationally, tsaka dito sa
national level.
National level. Kung saan na rin nakapaglaro.
Navarro grazes the antenna. So 4-2. Ito, lumalayo na naman ang FEU dahil sa mga errors na naman ng St. Benilde. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Kasi parang tinutulungan ng St. Benilde dahil sa mga errors nila eh. Dumali yung laro dito sa kabila, dito sa FEU.
It's served by Palma.
Oh.
That's a bad one. Oh yeah,
It's
okay,
a net violation.
Net
Correct,
violation.
that's the right call.
And the libero of Las Altas Marinas got bailed out doon. Sabihin sana, ikaw pa naman ang libero ng Las Altas Marinas, hindi mo ma-field yung first call na yun. Diba? Medyo namutla doon si Yumi. And here is the reception. Kasugot, inangat lang yung bola, itinawid naman ni Pons. Cheng gets to this one. They go to Janine Navarro once again. Stopped by Dakis. Pons, stopped by Datuin.
That was a solid block from St. Benilde.
Yan ang kill block.
Abang na abang eh. Si Pons, look at this once again. Nahuli ni Mitch. May angulo sana pupuntahan si Pons eh. Kaya lang nasarado ni Mitch.
Well, they are tied at 4. So, dikit pa rin po dito sa ating second set. Sa dulo lang naman umalagwa itong FEU ng first set. Otherwise, it would have been a close match. Gonzaga, that's off the net. And off the hands of Navarro, allegedly. Navarro sinasabi talaga.
Check ball lang yung tinawag doon. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakaset ni Papa. Isang blocker lang ang natira doon for St. Benilde.
Pons ngayon sa kanyang serve. And Clona gets to it. Cheng, kailangan labanan si Kasugod. Joust time. At binalik ni Datuin. Hindi ma-convert ni Kasugod.
Hindi niya solid hit.
Right. Datuin gets it across. Papa ngayon. Iniwan para kay Gonzaga. And Jovi is close to a crossing violation. At out na lang daw. Out.
Halos sinave lang naman talaga ni Jovelyn yung bola. It was really close to the net. Malayo siya eh. She was getting ready for an approach.
Biglang nilapit to sa net. So again, some errors naman ngayon from FEU. We are tied at 5. Datuin on the serve for Benilde. Papa across. Dakis dug up by Datuin. Kept alive and Cheng says siya na ang bahala. Papa, quick set to Kasugod.
There's a solid hit right there. Yun ang iniintay ni Coach Shaq. Napapalakpak naman si Coach Shaq pagkatapos ng quick hit ni Kasugod.
6-footer. Mahirap ng Blanca ng isang 6-footer.
Oo naman.
And again, she also learned the game late.
Yes.
3 taon pa lang yata naglalaro to eh.
Nakita natin siya nung nagsisimula siya talagang ang gamit eh. Parang si Remy Palma. Off-block lang talaga.
Navarro, try blocking that one. So Janine Navarro, pati si Tin Agno, hindi naabutan yon.
Look at this. She looks. Yung spike is very simple, pero kargado eh.
Parang ang kombinasyon daw ni Daki sa Tita Bakero pag pumalo yan eh. And now she's back to serve, however. That's a good serve. Raise the net. Runner by Kasugo, turned back by Yumi Yonko. Daki sa kabila, turned back by Panaga. Pinuhay ni Agno. Cheng across, Panaga, single block there. Here's Yumi, over the defense. Gonzaga is there, Papa, Dakis, and Dakis into the face of Veronas.
That was an excellent decision from Papa to give it to Rachel Andakis. Look at this one. Nandun na sa harap niya si Kasugod eh. Pwedeng quick na sana eh. Pero binato kay Daki.
At sabi ni Veronas, kailangan mong pamasahin ng mukha mamaya.
Hindi mo siya din naman nakasangga.
Nakasangga na konti. Yung nga mahirap eh. Cheng, Panaga with the left hand, yes.
Oh, Panaga. Hard tip.
So pa si Panaga, very creative pagdating sa net.
Correct. Ang galing umatip.
Oo. Janelle Cheng, serving ngayon. Actually, the top 5 in the league in setting, ito si Janelle Cheng. But of course, she's going up against the number 1 setter in the league.
Oh, nice serve.
Janelle Cheng with a power serve gives St. Benil the 1-point lead sa ating first technical timeout, set number 2.
Huwag kayong matakot pumalo at magtrabaho tayo. Yan ang sabi ng head coach ng CSB na si Coach Mike Carino sa kanyang mga players. He said na kailangan natin bawasan ang ating mga unforced errors which nagbibigay ng easy points sa kalaban. Napansin din ni Coach na nakikipagsabayan sa kanilang koponan ang CSB Lady Blazers. For FU's coach, he's showing confidence among his second stringers as he gave the heads up to one of the Lady Tamarals na maghanda kapag nakakalamang na. A little fun fact for you guys. CSB's Gekiliana is actually the sister of Kim Gekilianas in Ateneo, and the number 6 Janela from FEU is actually Jack Janela's first cousin from the University of Perpetual Health. And Desiree Cheng is actually the Cheng sister of the Cheng from the Lasal. That's it, guys.
Yeah, marami
all in the family.
Oh yeah, that's all in the family. Pero tama ka, no? Janelle Cheng is the older sister of Des Cheng of Lasal. And there's 9-8 as Rachel Andakis na walang kapatid na naglalaro dito. Shaky Gilly.
Na wini-wish ng maraming bata na older sister nila.
Meron naman, may mga kapatid siya, no? I think 4 yata sila magkakapatid. But none of them play volleyball here at least. And a great decision there by Bernadette Pons na gamitin ng kamay nitong si Panaga.
Ito na si Gekiliana.
Si Camille Gekiliana will see her first action. So the
older
ates,
sister,
ito yung mga ate ngayon. So Camille Gekiliana and Janelle Cheng, the older sisters of Kim Gekiliana and Des Cheng. Seeing, Camille is seeing her first action. Tied at 9. 10-9 Benil on that's a second service error para kay Rachel Andakis. So ngayon, ito si Panaga will be serving para sa St. Benil. Agno, nagalangan. Pons, tulak. Cheng is there. Pons, correct.
Pons.
Magiging
Making
best friend.
Sure,
magiging best friend ni Rachel ito, si Bernadette Pons.
She made sure, looked at the leap. Yun yung wrist action na kailangan consistent kay Pons. Kasi sayang yung talon eh. Diba? Tsaka yung lakas ng palo.
Mabuhay ang Central Visayas sa pinapakita rito ni Bernadette Pons as there is a net violation against FEU. Gonzaga yata matatawagan dun. So 11-10, yeah.
Yan, asking for a B quick or A quick.
Basta kanya daw. Kanya yung play.
Basta quick.
Hindi napasok ni Gekiliana yung serve. Tied at 11 again. Remy Palma, maganda nilaro ng ating first set, but so far, hindi pa rin pupunta sa kanya yung opensa. Good serve, however. Enclona. Cheng on the back set for Veronas. Off the hands of Pons.
Kanina pa sila pupunta dyan, yung off the block, pareho sila. Dahil pag nakita na nilang may malaking blocker sa harap nila, easy na lang ang, kumbaga, easier way to go off block.
And Pons, of course, is not that tall either. Veronas, ang ganda na naman ng serve. Here's Papa, going to Gonzaga.
Gonzaga, yun yung tingin.
Iniisip ni Gonzaga na, akin ba talaga to? Isipin mid-air eh. Nakikita natin dito, akin nga ba talaga? Akin nga. Ano yung cut shot? Minsan, ang hirap pa, parang hirap i-process yung cut shot na kaliwete gumagawa. Diba?
Well, kaya utility para strong side sila eh.
Navarro. Here's Papa ngayon, going over to Gonzaga, and there she goes again.
Once again, Gonzaga, this time going down the line.
So, the MVP. Sino ba reigning MVP? Di ba si Bildy ng reigning MVP of this conference? Pero pagdating sa mga MVP, yung huling natanghalan na MVP, yan po si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's B-League, proudly Philippine-made.
Oh, miss you. Medyo mataas ang pagkaka-set. Di pa sila nagko-connect.
Kung si Dindin yun, baka nakalmot pa niya. Yun
na pinakamahirap sa lahat kasi yung connection ng quick, lalo na yung A at saka yung B quick na yan. Kaya pag guest player mo, quicker. Medyo sa akin, mas mahirap yun eh, unless you really have a steady setter.
Well, I think Des Cheng is a very steady setter. Nagkataon lang talaga, nalunod na si Datuin doon. Actually, it's the first connection error between the two. At bumalik na si Panaga yan, magkakilala na yan. Panaga at Cheng. As Datuin will serve into the net.
May mga jet lag pa doon sila.
Hindi naman, tagal na ni Mitch dito. No? Ilang linggo ko na nga inaabangan yung aking pasalubong galing Kayla. Isa pa itong Rachel sa yung Jovelyn na to. Tama-tama, nagkakasama na silang tatlo rito. Time to collect na pasalubong. Yung mga nangako. Yan na, that's still in. Pag-alanganin na si Jovelyn eh. Kiss misses. Napatili si Rachel.
A little bit long on that one.
Siya nga daw. Ay, nahawakan na naman ni Rachel balikan. It's one of the rare times that we actually don't see the tape on Rachel's shoulder. Na matagal niyang iniinda. Navarro on the serve.
Oh, nice.
Hindi na abot ni Panaga. Cheng has to recycle. Gekilian now. Papa, back set, Gonzaga! Nauna lundag sa talon at natawa si Coach Sang.
She was trying to go for a push pero layo from the back row.
Nakita niya daw ginawa ni Jaja yung dati.
Pwedeng off speed eh. Pero yung parang, alam mo yung madaliri ni Jaja, iba rin.
Oo nga eh. Kasi Jaja, hamak na mas mahaba rito by about 10 inches probably. Oh, wow! Dakis bawi. And Rachel Andakis gives FEU a 1-point lead.
Oh, Jovan si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
0.
Ay, ibang network.
Text me?
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Sure! Text mo rin? Definitely! Hanggang bukas pa! Sa only text to all 20, araw-araw panalo ka!
From the leader in mobile, call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid Unli Call and Text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time Unli Text.
Quarterfinal round, the Shakey's B-League. At FEU, lalabanan po ang Arellano sa 2 p.m. game natin. And then again, the game that everybody wants to watch. Adamson versus Davao sa 4 p.m. game.
Extra hour.
Parehong matitindi sa floor defense, parehong mahilig manghulog. And of course, our shaky face of the day is here. Roxanne Esguera, 21 years old from Santa Mesa, Manila. Yan po ang kanyang pizza na sana meron din tayo rito.
Wala nang laman dyan.
Yeah, wala nang laman.
Wala.
Eh? Order ka na nga ng chicken and noodles.
Kinain mo na eh.
Ikaw yung mahilig sa chicken and noodles. Rachel, ano ginagawa?
Well, just trying to save the ball, pero masyado malayo yung yung second ball niya, kaya walang nakahabol.
Tandaan din po natin, Rachel Andakis is actually named by Coach Sammy Akailar as the captain of the national team. Lumaban sa Thailand. So, hindi lang pangkaraniwang national team member. Yan po yung kanilang skipper. Nandyan. They go to Rachel. And Rachel finds the line. Kahit sa utility spot, pwede pa rin naman yan eh.
Tama. Ito, si Rachel once again, ma-PR, di ba? Kaya yung mga taong ganyan eh. Yung kayang ibunguin yung team.
Ay, oo.
Diba?
Hindi mo PR naman yun. Leadership.
Saka hindi man yung leadership nga niya. Ibang klase kasi fun to be with. Alam mo yung very friendly.
Sa locker room, masarap kasama.
Tapos respetuhin mo kasi magaling naman eh.
Veronas. Binuhay naman yon ni Jonella who's back in the game. And they go to Gonzaga. Pons.
Nicely done. Pons. Going
down the line shot.
Mid down the line yun. Down the line niya. On that side. Pero tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng pwesto.
Tama naman na muntik ng masaktan doon si Janelle Cheng. Time out CST.
Dito madali. Tatlo naka-corner dito para tatlo naka-receive. Lumayo ka doon. Nandun ka. Kapag papuntay mo sila dito ng tatlo, kailangan nakaganyan sila tatlo. Tatlo receiver. Pag may kombinasyon, open. Isa open, isa patong, isa B. Ako, sinong tao nandun, pwede mo papaluin doon. Sinong tao nandito, pwede mo papaluin. Basta pag may pumapalo, sumusuporta. Pero kailangan, may pasa muna tayo.
Medyo tumatahimik na ito mga taga-Pinilda.
So far, ito na naman, umaalagwan na naman sa atake ng FEU. 10 attack points na ang binid, 4 pa lamang. Pero, maswerte lang ang binid kasi 8 na ang errors ng FEU against 5 sa kanila. Navarro, 6 na puntos na. Veronas with 5. Dakis with 6. Gonzaga with 5.
Pons, Bumuelo, yes.
Partner si Pons, hindi lamang sa atake. Tulad nung nakita natin doon. Pons also 4 receptions na.
Right.
And Clona having 7.
Clona doing her job. But the thing is, hindi naman makapuntos itong Binil pagdating sa atake. Dakis, remote control on. Panaga! Dakis galing sa likod. Hinabol ni Clona, palabas na yon. Gekiliana, yun ang lumabas. Yun ang si Clona, hindi niya nakita kung gano'n siya kalalim. As Yumi Yongko will return for Camille Gekiliana. At ito na naman, sa dulo na naman ng set, umalagwa ang FEU.
Tama, and again, they're doing it on their attacks.
And Dakis, with that remote control serve once again. Gitam.
Ayan na eh.
Gitam.
Getting an ace. Perfect timing.
Nasaktan pa daw siya doon sa serve na yun. Maureen Lauren will return, replacing Janine Navarro for the moment. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So this is, I believe, ano pa to? 5 unanswered points. Tayo na 16 tayo kanina eh.
Right.
Veronas, kept alive by Jonella. Papa, Gonzaga. Panaga too near the net. And Clona gets it across. Papa ngayon, bibigay kay Palma. Cheng too near. Veronas, off the block. Late coverage from Jonella.
Ang layo ni Jonella for coverage.
21-17. Once again, may kita natin dito. That's again a heroic set coming from Janelle Cheng.
Napakalapit na nung second ball sa net, but she was able to still set it up.
Panaga.
Oh!
Gooding! Nagkatingin na si Jonella si Dakis. Actually, hindi naman kumilo si Dakis. Dapat kay Jonella lang yon. to 21-18. Anaga again. Then a reception this time from Dakis. Oy! Lusot si Palma kay Yumi Yonko.
That's right. And it wasn't that powerful, pero ang ganda lang nung pagkakalusot.
Right. Ito, apat na naman. It's a luxury para sa FEU, kanilang kalamangan. Papa once again. Combo. Veronas turned back there by Gonzaga. One more time around for Veronas off the block. Jonella keeps it alive. They go to Pons. And Pons drops it. Yumi Yonko maatras. Hindi na nakabalik.
At si Cheng naman papunta pa lamang dun sa dun sa pwesto niya as a setter.
Timeout here for St. Benil. Their last timeout of the second set, down by 5.
Bakit tayo umuopensa? Hindi tayo makapatay. Hirap na hirap tayo makapatay. Ha? Okay. Pumatay muna tayo. Isa muna patay. Pasa. Kombinasyon. Play one. Play one, extreme isa. Ikaw quick ka lang. Ikot. Okay? So, patay lang. Abo lang.
And now, of course, titignan po natin yung naging kaganapan sa huling play natin. That's just a great setup here para dito kay Pons at walang tao.
Yep. Patras na si Yonko, pa-forward naman to si Cheng. So, kumbaga moving bodies
Right.
Tapos nilagay nito in between the two.
So ngayon, Papa needs only 2 points on her serve para ibigay itong second set sa FEU to take a 2-0 advantage. Benil might have other plans. Veronas. Papa! Inagawa ni Papa, Evander si Palma, inagawa si Papa ng pwesto.
Kahit anong stretch ni Papa kung hindi naabot yung bola kasi si Remy yung kumuha. Pero ang ganda ng reach din ni Remy Palma para dun sa tip.
And now 6 set points para sa FEU. They only needed 1. So similar scores sa ating first set. FEU sa dulo na naman umalagwa. 25-18. And they now take a 2-0 lead. Tingnan po natin ating shaky play. Service ace for the skipper, Ina Papa.
Bad connection, and the moment is lost. A text that never came can cost you a relationship. In a world where every second counts, count on Smart, the biggest network. To belong. To let go. Spend your precious time on the small things. Because your time is your life. And the less of it you waste, the more of it you live.
Mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Hi. Your order?
Make your move with SmartNet.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more.
Nagbabalik tayo dito sa game ng CSB at ng FEU, partner. Ito na naman ang FEU, 16 attack points. Mas malala ang CSB na limit to only 6 attack points in that quarter. Pero ang CSB naman may 2 block points, 2 aces. Ang FEU may ganun din, 2 aces at 1 block point.
Ginawa mong basketball, quarter.
Ay, nakuha din sa ating set. Ano ba? Tulog. At yun na naman, yung errors na naman actually ng FEU at Binil, di naman nagkakalayo, pero yung atake talaga, doon nagkakaproblema. So, I guess ang nagiging problema din ng CSB, hindi nila napapatay yung bola, na sabi nga ni Coach, yun ang nangyayari. At yung first ball, hindi rin masyadong maganda, hindi na iaabot na maganda. Pero yung pagpatay din, kasi nakaka-run na plays, pero nasasagot ng depensa ng FEU.
Ito nga yung first ball, kamote naman para sa kupunan ng FEU as we begin the third set. And Tatuwin tries to drop it. Nandun naman si Papa, habol si Pons, hindi may tatawid.
Mahirap yung anggulong yun, tapos underhand pang kinuha ni Pons. So, medyo mahirap. But Pons, 11 points so far. Dakis is 8. Palma with the same number. Gonzaga with 5. Sa kabilang dako naman, Navarro with 8. Veronas with 6. Panaga with 5, Tatuwin with 2.
And that's the problem also, na matagal hindi naglaro ito si Navarro. All of a sudden siya nagiging primary option. So parang hindi yata pasanay ang Binil.
Ayan na naman yung depensa ng FEU.
Gonzaga with the defense. Hey!
And credit to have that point for Gonzaga. Ang ganda ng pagkakadepensa ng nung pagkakakuha ng first ball.
Ito pa naman, eksakto pa para kay Papa na punta. And Bernadette Pons just uses the blockers to tie it up at one apiece. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. For those of you just tuning in, yes, si Jovelyn Gonzaga po ay naglalaro na para sa FEU as a service ace for Ina Papa. Pati na rin si Rachel Andakis, naglalaro na rin para sa FEU ulit.
Maraming mga bagong mukha na hindi masyadong bago sa atin. Pero ngayon lang dito sa stage ng ating torneo.
And here's Tatuwin with the runner, kept alive there by Papa. Pons out of position, tinawid na lamang niya. Cheng stops, sets it up para naman dito kay Veronas.
Veronas going down the line. Talagang walang ka-blocker na pwedeng humarang dun sa down the line hit na ito ni Veronas. Look at that, malinis na malinis.
At kung umabot man si Pons dun, makaka-adjust pa rin siya dun. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito, Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Pili, proudly Philippine-made. And Maureen Loren, who gets to start here in set number 3 over Janine, make that, pinalitan niya ron.
She gets an ace.
She gets an ace. And again, almost another ace. And a bomb from Remy Palma.
Sinabi mo si Panaga ang pinalitan niya.
Si Panaga, yan. So they have opted to go small, actually. As we take a look at that play once again, coming from Remy Palma to tie us up at 3. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Over receive, and Pons puts it away.
Bernadette Pons really making a mark in this game.
Sino dalawa ni Palma? Actually, ganda nilalaro.
Yun ang naging maganda dito. You put in Gonzaga, you put in Dakis, na sumuporta doon sa regular players ni Coach Shaq.
Hindi umaagaw eksena itong dalawa, no? And Clona, nahirapan doon, and a free ball. Well, walang free ball para kay Janine Navarro. Pons! Yan ang combination. Yan ang patong.
That's what we're talking about.
Kapag tingin si Coach Shaq dito sa atin.
Kasi pinag-uusapan na namin kanina pa yun eh. Sabi ko, ito kasing batang to. Pag makuha dyan yung proper wrist action, mahihirapan ang depensa ng kalaban. Katulad lang nun. Kasi yung taas tumalun eh.
Sabi pa, Alma, medyo excited. Wala pa pito si Efren Gaa.
Taas tumalon. Imagine mo na may pinanggagalingan ng palo niya.
Tingnan mo naman kung sino yung dalawa sumusuporta. Gonzaga at saka Dakis. Pareho rin mataas tumalon. And now Remy Palma. 2-point lead for FEU. And Clona. Cheng. Balik kay Veronas. Lusot kay Dakis. Dakis hindi na nag-react eh.
Tumaba sa fingers niya. Paglabas.
So, down to 1. Ang kalabagan dito ng FEU. Veronas again. Isa pa maganda nilalaro. Quiet yung mga puntos ni Veronas dito. Back set, Gonzaga.
Oh, nicely done.
Good luck defense ng St. Benil.
Ang ganda ng desisyon uli doon ni Papa ibigay kay Gonzaga. Look at this set.
Adjust yung dalawang blockers, hindi umabot in time. Another angle, beautiful. Ang tawag na, actually, yung pet name ko dyan kay Gonzaga, parati kasi natin nakakasama naman yan, si Guapa.
Totoo naman, Guapa kid.
And 7-4. So, parati pag nasa Twitter, Guapa, ano ganito. Sumasagot naman, Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's B-League.
Ano sagot niya sa'yo? Tawag sa'yo?
Wala. Sir. Bait yung batang yan. Here is the setup once again to Navarro this time.
This time it's Navarro with this angle. Difficult angle.
Lakas ng palo na naman.
At saka, pag pinanood mo siya, isa siya dun sa mga gifted players that she makes it look so easy. Pero ang hirap ng ginagawa niya. Yung pag-iwas-iwas sa blockers, hindi na madaling gawin.
Sabi nga ng fans, para doon kombinasyon ni Dakis sa kanila Kabakero ay nakalimutan yung kaliwete si Gonzaga. Tatanong ko siya yung mamaya after this timeout, sino naalala mo dito kay Janine Navarro? We take a short break. We'll be right back.
Ako isinilang kung saan nagmumula
ang sikat ng araw.
Ako'y may sariling kulay kayumanggi. Tayo'y mga Pinoy, tayo'y hindi kanon. Huwag kang mahihiya.
SmartBro, our fastest mobile broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the leader in mobile. Smart.
Tayo'y mga Pinoy. If you want to see me happy, shaky, why don't we just head over for an awesome get together? Let's all go to Shakey's. Let's all go to Shakey's for some fun, family, pizza, and more. What a perfect score! Let's all go to Shakey's. It's a record animal, this one is something to know.
Frustrated mo rin, hindi naman ganyan ang natural na kilos ng mga girls. She asked na mamamulan sana sila sa blocking as it is the first time na show at supporting sila sa isang
Again, version of Navarro, no matter how positive it is on the score sheet, could be a negative in terms of team chemistry right now sa sahig. And mahirap i-explain yun eh.
Kasi tama na wala yung blocking sa net. Yung palipasan yung strength nila. Right. And Rachel and Lucky. Kung mag-confirm lang yung blocking na pinag-uusapan natin, then easy lumusot sa dalawang blockers.
Well, binalik ko si Panaga in the lineup as you take a look at Dakis taking off from practically the line already.
Now, the attack point ng FU may zero na.
Into the net yan para kay Kasugod.
PNP naman ay tatlong blocks na so far. FU, dalawa pa lamang. FU kinang advantage ng PNP. Yung blocking nila, yun yung strength nila.
Well, the usual trio is now in front. Si Panaga, si Veronas, at si Loren. As Paul fires and connects again.
Single blocker kasi medyo malayo doon. Kasi kanyan yung resto ng blocker. Pag malayo na yung fighter, ikaw mag-decide pa block mo ba o hindi na normally pag nakatago, anak, masyado din ang block.
Dakis now with the serve, remote control variety again, and Palma.
I just met you, and it's crazy, pero what's your number?
Parang gumagin. Zero.
Ay, itong network.
Text me.
Wala nang text me maybe. We fucking text only text to all 20. 50 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Text mo rin. Hanggang bukas pa. Text to all 20.
Check now. Sending it back. Veronas. Oh, Gonzaga. Gonzaga para na kuryente.
The leader in mobile. Call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid Unli Call and Text 25.
I'm so
Real-time Unli texts. Clear Unli calls.
We're here.
Now to 3 networks. For only 25 pesos. Text Unli 25 to 6406.
Alive sa kuma. Yung ano yung maintain. Yung, di ba? Maintain. Ito yung
So, mas malapit pa sa kayang game ngayon.
Only text again. Sige.
Sana. Joey, only kawan siya pa. Cheng, hulog. First time she's tried that today. Here's Pon. Hulog din. Yeah, that will work. He makes it look so easy.
All plus Unli Tropa Call. Unli Text All. Unli Call sa pinakamalaking tropa.
Center na, gagawin naman dito ni Coach Mike Carillo. Porero in. Episode family pizza gotta be Shakey's. Papa.
You can't make. Can mean you
Porero,
don't care.
got the win. Drops it. Cannot be saved. Oy, hindi ka na.
And the moment is lost.
Nagulong-gulong na player sa MU, but you love the effort. You like them na
and cost you a relationship.
gumagawa ka ng
In a
paraan
world
sa
where
gulo.
every second counts, count on Smart, the biggest network.
Lauren, serve.
Should belong.
Not serve from Marie Lauren. Papa.
So let go.
Napeke pa yung kalaban dun sa pagkala ni Papa. Ano yun? Sadya yun.
Precious time on the small things.
And Torres is your first action para din sa FDU.
Because your time is your
Torres
life.
is serving as a one-liner.
And the less of it you waste,
Substitution dito.
the more of it you live.
So now ready Palma. Sinong pangkita nila? Ito pwede si Torres. Here's Papa now. They go to
Oh,
Torres.
ganda naman nun. Basta taken care of by Navarro.
Yes. Latuin almost scores. Here's Gonzaga out of position. Gumawa ng paraan.
Veteranong kung kumilos.
21 anyos pa lang yan, ha?
We're chatting now. Eh, ang dami na mo. Nalaro. Pag naglalaro ka sa iba't ibang...
Worried about mobile internet costs? Try new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Your order adjustment mo, nakakakilig sa'yo eh.
Make the move with SmartNet.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and billions of bytes of data will all travel at light speed in a line as fine
put away
as
their bite at the win.
That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
And Veronas once again.
Dito sa silangan, ako isinilang.
That's a good reception there coming from Atienza. And here is the drop. Kept alive by Encona. Ramos!
SmartBro, our fastest mobile broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the leader in mobile. Smart.
If you want to see me happy, don't do shaky. Why don't we just head over for an awesome get together? Let's all go to shaky. Some fun, family pizza and more. What a perfect score.
Pwede rin. Hindi naman yung pwede boys. That'll be okay.
Oh! Yan ang bilis.
Narinig natin yung ulo mga tao dito na binitiwan ni Gonzaga ng Argentina and that allowed them to take a 4-point lead. back this year, mga kaibigan, sa San Juan Arena. Rachel Ann Bacchus, if you're just joining us, is playing once again for FU, and Miss Gatuin playing in her second game. Para naman dito sa St. Benilde. As we have FU up by 4 dito sa ating third set. Also up 3 sets to nothing. So, Alzana, kasama po si Jose Rivera at si Ian Raso. At Janine Navarro scores again. Para dito sa kupunan ng St. Benilde. At pinipikit pa rin po, Lady Blazers.
Jobay si Mitch. Pinsan ko.
Here's Mitch Gatuin once again.
Met you. And this is crazy. Pero
Serve this
what's your
time.
number?
Nahirapan si Atienza. Here's Jackie. Off the block.
Network.
Text me.
Morero chases it.
Pero nasa ilalim ng bola.
Pero pinag-idea rin siya. Pinapunta niya sa sulok.
Network na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
This one. Definitely. Double spot. Only text to all 20.
Bola for the spin.
Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol called partners in the Shakey's D-League. Proudly to paid.
Oh!
Bumalik!
Ganda na sana na palo, but better defense from Benilde.
Like there's no
Look like
tomorrow.
Ramos.
Smart prepaid, only
That's the one
color
that
text
set that
25.
It's solid hit from
Real-time
Torres,
only text,
pero
clear on the calls.
naibalik.
Now the Green Network is
Good timing.
for only 25 pesos. Text only 25 to 6406.
Papa, 19 na.
Torres kumawi. Si Panaga ba ginawang asintahan?
Servisyo naman, CSB and FEU nag-iba ng aces so far, pero sa reception, 13 na CSB, FEU with 8. So, maganda pinapakita sa depensa sa floor defense ng FEU. Pero, ay St. Benilde, ang problema nga lang kanina ba yun, yung abot. Ngayon, better abot.
Right.
Abot.
Takis, turn back by Panaga. Ayan yung net-block na hinahanap mo, Tita Mosi.
Pwede na tayo.
Na-offend yata si Rachel dun na. Natin ulit. Great timing talaga.
The call you can't make
Pag naka-block,
can mean you don't care.
block talaga ang subok niya eh. Hindi na
A bad connection, and the moment is
Guerrero with
lost.
a short one. Takis sa kapila din na.
Ito naman, sa over the blocker. Inisahan naman this time a block.
Dahil sa pagkabeterano.
Come on, Smart. The biggest network.
And Rachel Ann Bacchus will be serving now para sa FU. Mababalik lang galing Thailand. Konti pa yung training agad in her former college team. And here she is.
Okay din yan minsan
To
sa
spend your precious time in the small
Bakante rin matagal doon siya kakababalik.
Moreno ngayon sa Benito Veronas.
Because your time is your life.
Palma on the run. Kept alive by Navarro. Mukhang lalabas na sana yun.
Like second ball, medyo mahirap ng kunin. Kasi na sa audience natin. But again, excellent effort from Navarro.
Dakis. With FU protecting a 5-point lead sa kanyang serve. Moreno. Veronas.
Oh, Veronas, powerful hit. Again, going down the line. Nagiging effective siya mula ng simula. Hindi ko bakit hindi nila pinalik-balik na.
Exactly. They will have a setting change once again as
Worried about mobile internet costs?
Veronas
Try
scores.
new SmartNet. It's free and easy mobile internet access. Free Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo email, and much more.
Now Janet Panaga trying to keep Benilde in this one. Into the net.
Move with SmartNet.
That's good for the Lady Blazers.
At this very moment, millions of calls,
Ina Papa
billions of messages,
has facilitated well
Oh,
today.
yes.
billions of bytes of data, and all travels at light speed in a line as fast as this.
At saka rightfully
That's
so
the
na
power
siya yung
of
number
fiber
one
optic
contender
technology
dito sa ating
from
region
Smart.
ngayon.
54,000
Gonzaga, there's an example of it right there. Using Gonzaga si Coach, ang ganda na ng approach eh. Sa order, binigay ka ni Gonzaga.
The leader in mobile.
Gonzaga delivers. And now the serve coming from Papa. Cheng leaves it for the win. And that's the cross.
He had the right thing in mind. Yung nga lang, the net block.
Smart Bro, our fastest Best Mobile Broadband with 4 times more fiber power from the leader in mobile. Smart.
Still needs 2 points to put this one away and get their first victory in the quarterfinals. Papa again. Papa again.
Alam mo, ganda na ginawa ngayon ni Papa dito sa laro ko. Di ba, meron pang pizza na galing sa kay Papa towards the net. Nagbigay ko na sila ng match point.
And they have 6 of them. Papa. Well, ginawa niya yung first set. Hindi nag-serve for the set. Tapos sa meron. Nelson Ramos. This one down by 7. Laga 3 ball. That's a good choice. Dapat is there for the coverage. Balls. Veronas, iniwan kay Datuin. And Mitch will overshoot. No check ball. SCU takes the first victory here in the quarterfinal round. 1-1 ay kanilang record. And now St. Benil has a problem.
Correct. At again, may hindi lang itong quarterfinals natin. Kaya lahat ng panalo ay magiging importante sa ating mga team.
Let's take a look at our shaky play. Ina Papa has performed well today. One of her service aces. Wins it for FEU.
You don't gotta get up. You gotta get it. You gotta have it. Order it up. You gotta get it. You gotta have it. You gotta get it. You gotta have it.
Oh, Jobay si Mitch. Pinsan ko. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, pero what's your number?
Here, Rob.
Ay, ibang network.
Text me?
Maybe.
Wala nang text me maybe. With Talk and Text, only text to all 20. 20 pesos lang. 2 days na only to all networks na. Panalo.
Text, ha?
Sure! Text mo rin? Definitely! Hanggang bukas pa! Sa only text to all 20, araw-araw panalo ka!
From the leader in mobile, call and text like there's no tomorrow. Smart prepaid only call and text 25.
I'm so unlucky.
Real-time only texts. Clear only calls.
We're here.
Now the 3 network.
So Bernadette, anong masasabi niyo? Paano kayo nag-gel up sa team knowing na last minute nga dumating yung si Ate Shell and si Ate John?
Medyo, yung ingay. Ano po, siyempre sabi ni Coach po, mag-adjust po kami kasi siyempre bago lang namin sila nakasama. At saka, yung dalawa rin naman po, hindi po sila mapilit. Saka sabi rin ni Coach sa kanila na mag-adjust rin sila sa set, sa amin, kasi bago lang rin kami nagkakasama. Yun.
And for that, you get one box from Shaky for being the best player of the game. Guys. Back to you guys.
Ayan na, ingayan tuloy si Bernadette Pons sa atin. Tingnan natin.
Bakit pa maingay? Bakit ba kasi maingay?
Mapapanood nila bukas yan.
Dahil dito.
Dahil po dyan, yung ating team standings, FEU has now tied Arellano in Group 2 and looking good to probably get that second semi-final slot. Of course, NU still lording it over. St. Benil needs a lot of help. At dyan po nagwawakas ang aming paghatid sa inyo ng Shakey's Philly quarterfinals. Ito po si, on behalf of our interviewers, Zier Vasho, and of course, my partner, Mosi Rivera. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.